Namaste and a very warm welcoming to my new video to all of you, to the students of Battalion School. Once again, good afternoon, and today we shall be continuing with a new chapter of class 4 standard, that is the second chapter. Please open the page number 13. My dear student, before starting the video, please be prepared with a book of a textbook which has been given or provided to you all. Okay, now your chapter deals with an animal which is pronounced as koala. So, what is koala, my dear students? Let us see what is koala. In your starter kit, it has been mentioned that mammals are the animals that give birth to their live babies. Koala is an mammal. He is an animal. It is an animal which gives birth to live babies but do not lay any eggs. Mammals feed their young on milk from their body. Can you tell which of these are mammals? Can you tell which of these are mammals from this picture? The cow. Is it a mammal? Does it lay eggs? No, it doesn't lay eggs. It gives birth to the live babies. But the hen, or these are the animal. The hen is an animal which lays eggs. The snake lays eggs, but koala do not. Goat lays eggs? No. Goat gives birth to the live babies. We human being, does we lay eggs? No. So, let us come to the chapter. The koala is a lovely little chubby animal. What do you mean by chubby, my dear? Chubby means a good fats. Okay. Those who looks like chubby or those who looks like healthy, like these are chubbies. When you grow some fats in your cheeks, it is chubbiness. Okay. It has already been mentioned in your word meaning. See, that is chubby. It has been given a fat in an attractive way. Though koala is chubby, but it looks beautiful. It looks attractive. It lives in Australia. Where does it live? It lives in Australia. It looks like live teddy bear. Dosto, we all have teddy bear in our home, right? So it exactly looks like a live teddy bear. ये पूरा ऐसा लगता है जीता जागता टेडी बियर है. हमारे घर में जो टेडी बियर है वो बोल सकता है, वो आवाज़ निकाल सकता है? नो. बट ये कोआला के बारे में यहाँ पे क्या बोला गया है? ये एग्जैक्टली टेडी बियर जैसा दिखता है, जैसे कि वो टेडी बियर बात करता हो. ठीक है, मतलब आवाज़ निकाल सकता हो. कोआला डजंट स्पीक. It has a large black nose. It has a soft woolly fur. And now, what has been mentioned in your story? It has been mentioned here that the koala is having a black nose. Can you see the picture? It is drawn here. See? It has a black nose and a woolly fur. The skin, it's made of woolly fur. Woolly means warm. Woolen cloth. कभी गर्मी ठंडे के टाइम पे वुलन क्लॉथ्स आप लोगों ने पहना है तो देखना कितना सॉफ्ट है वुलन क्लॉथ्स. ठीक उसी तरह कोआला का बॉडी में वैसा ही फर है. ओके. द फर इज ब्राउनिश अबव एंड येलोविश बिलो. व्हाट इज बिलो? बिलो मीन्स नीचे. हाँ, तो फर क्या है? ब्राउनिश कलर है. ब्राउन कलर. यू ऑल हैव कलर्ड इन योर ड्राइंग क्लासेस. यू नो इट वेरी वेल स्टूडेंट व्हाट इज द कलर. ब्राउन कलर मीन. ओके. And the koala is having a yellowish color below. See, it is having a yellowish color below and whole body is of brown color. The thick fur helps to keep it warm and dry. Thick means mota. And the skin of that koala keeps it dry and warm. उसको गर्म रखता है. Okay. Next page. The koala baby is born live. It feeds on milk from the mother's body. जन्म होने के बाद we every human being or mammal we do feed. Thus the koala is like other animal. Like koala भी इंसानों जैसा and other mammals के तरह भी koala भी it feeds to their children. Thus the koala is like the other mammals, but it is a special kind of mammal. But there is something speciality in koala. What is it? A female koala has a pouch in her underside. Thus we have pouch in our body. Pouch means pocket. No, but the koala, exactly like a kangaroo, is having a pouch in her body. That is in female koala, not in a male koala. Okay, female means ladki, male means ladka. In this pouch, she carries her baby as it grows, and slowly, when the koala baby grows up, okay, until and unless it is grown up, the koala baby remains inside the pouch of its mother. Animals that have a pouch to carry their young are called marsupials, and the animals or the mammals who are having the pouch, okay, they are known as a special name. What is that special name? It is marsupial. Kangaroo is also a marsupial. The koala and the kangaroo are marsupial. When a koala baby is born, it is blind. It has no hair. It is only about the size of a bean. Do you know what is bean? Bean is a vegetable. Okay. And the koala, when it gets born, then the koala exactly looks like in a shape of bean. Its size is exactly similar to a bean. And the koala baby, when it gets born, it don't even have any hair in his head. And most importantly, it is blind. The koala baby is blind. Okay, when the baby is born. This tiny baby crawls up into its mother's pouch. It eats, sleeps and grows. And this quiet little koala baby, okay, it sleeps and eats inside the pocket of her mother or of its mother. And slowly it grows. It grows means वो बड़ा होता है. Okay. And even when it is able to come out of the pouch, it pops back into the pouch and it is sleepy or when it is scared. और जब उसको बहुत नींद आती है, the koala baby is inside. You will find that koala baby inside the pouch of its mother. And it hops मतलब चोरी से करके देखना. And जब भी वो डर जाता है koala baby, it just get picked inside the pouch of the little mother. The baby koala rides on the mother's back. See? First of all, the mother koala is carrying her baby koala inside its pocket. It's exactly like the kangaroo. And it crawls on her mother's back. Okay, where I was? The baby koala rides its mother's back until it can take care of itself. And until it can take care of itself, जब तक वो अपना ख्याल न रख पाए, वो अपने मम्मी के कंधे पे ही वो क्रॉल करता है. ठीक है? The koala eats the leaves of the eucalyptus trees. And what does koala eats? It eats the eucalyptus leaves. It is a special kind of leaves. Let us see what is the meaning of the eucalyptus trees. It is given in your book. It is a tall, straight tree with leaves that produce an oil that is used in medicine. Do you know this eucalyptus tree is too tall? And this, with the help of these leaves, the medicines are also made up of. It eats the tender little shoots that grow on the tips of the branches. Soft tenders वो खाता है कौन? The baby koala on the tips of the branches. Branches means dal, the shakhas and all. This is the branch of a tree. This is a tree and this is known as the branch. The koala does sometimes drink. Sorry, I missed 4 lines. That is, a koala comes down on the ground only when it has to move to a tree, and when it has to move to the tree, it just comes down whenever it wants to move to some other tree. The koala does sometimes drink, but the leaves it provide most of the water in it. कोआला कभी कभी पानी पीता है, लेकिन वो जो पत्ता, यूकेलिप्टस पत्ता जो कोआला खाता है, उसमें एनफ ऑयल और एनफ वाटर उसमें स्टोर होता ही है. ठीक है. तो दोस्तों, ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जो यूकेलिप्टस ट्रीज है उसमें क्या रहता है? इट इज़ हैविंग एनफ वाटर एंड द ऑयल टू. बट कभी कभी कोआला भी पानी पीने नीचे उतरता है. The koala is a nocturnal animal. It is more active at night than during the day, and it is a very nocturnal animal. We will come to know about the meaning of the nocturnal. Let's proceed further. वो क्या करता है? वो रात को बहुत एक्टिव रहता है. हाँ, पहले तो वो जन्म के टाइम वो ब्लाइंड रहता है, लेकिन ये ऐसा एक एनिमल है जो रात को एक्टिव रहता है. दिन के टाइम से भी रात को ज़्यादा एक्टिव रहता है. लेट्स कम टू द मीनिंग, दैट इज नॉक्टर्नल. व्हाट इज नॉक्टर्नल? नॉक्टर्नल मीन्स एक्टिव एट नाइट. वो नाइट में सबसे ज़्यादा एक्टिव रहता है, पावरफुल रहता है. ठीक है, इसीलिए कोआला रात को ज़्यादा एक्टिव रहता है दिन से भी. और हम इंसान क्या होते हैं? रात को बहुत थकान होता है, हम लोग सो जाते हैं, है ना. और कोआला उल्टा है, हम लोग दिन में पावरफुल है. द एनिमल्स आर पावरफुल एट द टाइम ऑफ डे, बट द कोआलाज आर पावरफुल और एक्टिव देन डे एट द टाइम ऑफ नाइट. द कोआला डजंट हैव होम और अ नेस्ट. कोआला का नेस्ट है? नो, इट डजंट हैव एनी होम. It just wedges its body into the fork of a tree. वो क्या करता है? अपने बॉडी को वेज करता है. What do you mean by the term wedge? Wedge means to squeeze itself like this. वो अपने आप को ऐसे करके बंद करके एकदम डाल के एकदम ऊपर, टिप ऑन द एज. एज मतलब एकदम साइड में, ऐसे अपने आप को स्क्वीज करके, ऐसे मरोड़ के अपने आप को ऐसे रखता है. ठीक है. into the fork of a tree. It wraps its arm on the legs around a branch. और अपने आर्म्स, अपना क्या करता है? अपने पाँव को डाल के अंदर ऐसे करके घेर के अपने आप को रखता है. It arms और legs around the branches. ब्रांच के चारों तरफ, डाल के चारों तरफ. Closes its eyes and goes to sleep. और क्या करता है? ऐसे करके वो सो जाता है. ठीक है. आप लोग कैसे सोते हो? Anyways, next point is, please turn the page, that is page number 16. बच्चों, we are at the end of the story, so let's concentrate, okay? Large number of koalas have been killed for their fur. और सबसे दुखद क्या है? बहुत सारे कोआलास को मारे जाते हैं. क्यों मारा जाता है बहुत सारे कोआलास को? बिकॉज ऑफ देयर वुली फर. वो उन लोग का जो बॉडी में जो स्किन है वो उली फर के तरफ, दैट इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट. हाँ, वो वार्म प्रोड्यूस करता है, वार्मथ प्रोड्यूस करता है. एंड फॉर दैट स्पेशलिटी ऑफ देयर स्किन दे आर किल्ड. नाउ वेरी फ्यू हैव बीन लेफ्ट. और अभी बहुत कम ही बचा हुआ है. क्या? कोआला. After 1936, laws were made forbidding people to kill the koalas. और 1936 के बाद लॉ मेकर्स ने लॉ बनाया, क्या? कानून बनाया कि आप लोग ज़्यादा कोआलाज ऐसे नहीं मार सकते हैं. ये रेस्ट्रिक्ट करता है पीपल को. हाँ, लोगों को ये चीज़ करने से मना करता है. people to kill the koalas. Special reserves were made for them to live in. और गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया? इन लोगों के लिए, the koalas के लिए एक सुरक्षित प्लेस, एक सेफ प्लेस और द रिजर्व उन लोगों के लिए बनाया है. ठीक है, for the koalas to live a peaceful life. करेक्ट. सो हम लोग यहाँ पे we are ending the chapter. So we have completed the second chapter too. Okay, till in the next video I will be completing another new chapter. Till then, stay safe and take care. Tata.